Watch.
Wait for it.
If this runs the microwave, you realize we get charged for this.
It won't.
It's gonna be loud.
That was what stinks.
What's going on?
How did you guys know to do this?
What's it doing? What's it doing?
I don't know.
When will it take?
It probably takes longer.
I don't know. There's 3 of them. What's going on?
This is boring.
Oh, wait for it.
You missed it earlier.
Dude. I don't know.
You guys come
Watch out. Watch out! It's gonna blow. It's aimed at us. See? That's what we were waiting for, by the way. You opened it up and it just blew off again. Oh, that's so awesome.
No, my God, I cannot get out because I'm already peeing. I gotta put on different teams.
I'm afraid it's like gonna shoot off on my hand.
Okay. I gotta pee. I gotta pee my pants.
Does that scare you?
Is that fun? Okay, I need to put on my flashlight.